Hello, this is Shane speaking. Hello, this is Team 3. Today we are going to present our brand new app. Here's our group number, Changyu, Sitingtang, Xunzhu, and Zonglingguo. So first, we will have a brief intro and overview to our app. Our app's name is WoofMate, and WoofMate is the ultimate app for finding your pet dog's partner. Simply create a profile for your dog, including their species, location, and characters, and start browsing throughout the community of other loving owners. And next, let's go through the app. First, I will be introducing our application's login and registration pages, which have been carefully designed to provide a seamless user experience. Our app leverages the power of Firebase real-time database and authentication for efficient and secure data management. To begin, the login page presents a straightforward interface where users can promptly to enter their registered email address and password. This ensures that only authorized users can access the app and its features. Moving on to the registration page, we have designed it to collect essential information from new users, such as their name, gender, email address, and a customer password. Firebase real-time database is employed to store this data securely, while Firebase authentication guarantees that each username is unique, preventing any conflicts or confusion among users. Both pages are designed with alert system. If the app detects any activities like wrong match username and password, or any fields user leave with empty, the app will pop up a message to remind the user where goes wrong. As we understand the importance of a smooth reading experience, we have taken the initiative to create premium accounts for use to utilize during the evaluation process.
Zonglingguo speaking, and I'm gonna introduce you with the settings pages. So next we come to the settings pages. When users first register, they will be directly taken to the settings pages. Of course, subsequently, they can also enter the settings to make changes to their information. On the settings pages, when the user clicks on their profile portrait, they can choose a camera or photo album to set up their profile portrait. We use that library Glide to handle images, and it will be stored in the Firebase as URL link. In the basic information section, all fields except for location can be edited. For location, the user needs to turn on the switch and grant permission. Then the user's location will be displayed in the form of their region. A friendly reminder to open Google Maps to confirm that your emulator's GPS is working when using location. After the user fills out the form, they need to confirm and their information will be uploaded to Firebase. Simultaneously, this page will also retrieve information from the database and display it, so users can see their information even if they come back to edit it later. Using the camera sensor, requesting real-time addresses, and accessing the database are all placed in new thread to prevent blocking the main UI thread. If the registration process is incomplete, the user will not be able to enter other pages. If they click confirm after completing their information, they will be taken directly to the home page, where they can start swiping to find furry friend.
Hi, this is Sitingtang speaking. So I will discuss the key components of the home page, including the navigation bar, the share function, and the card, and the match feature here. So the navigation bar is located at the bottom of the homepage and allows users to access different activities within the app. So as you click the icon, it leads you to the different activity. And the share function here is another important feature. It allows users to edit and share the pictures with other users through different applications. When user click the share or click the card here, so there is a pop-out window with the image. Actually, I will prepare this image and make it as intact with the send activity and tell the system that the picture is ready to be shared with other users. And here I will talk about the card. The card is where users can swipe left or the right to dislike or like the potential matches. The card displays users of the object sex. When a user swipes left or right or click the button below the card, the data is recorded in our database as a like or dislike note. If two users swipe right on each other and a match occurs, and our app records the match in the database and generates a chat ID for the two users to communicate with each other later. Also, when there's match occur, an alert dialog pop up to inform the users that there is a match and direct them to the match's activity.
Hi, this is Changyu speaking. As we move into the matches and chat feature, when two users swipe right on each other, and as you can see in the picture, a Firebase real-time database will store and retrieve their chat messages. And we write matches activity display the list of matches user, and matches adapter manages their display in a recycler view. The chat activity class handles the chat UI interactions and Firebase connections, while chat adapter manages chat messages within the recycler view.
So hello, this is Siting Tang, and I have the Zonglingguo with me to show you guys how notification work in our application. So here I'm gonna raise a conversation with Punk.
So I have logged in Punk, and she will send me a message, and ideally I will receive the notification from her. And right now, you see, she just sent me with "How are you?" and I have received "How are you?" And I clear it, and I will send her a new message. And she has.
Yeah, you accept the notification.
And you can clear it. Yeah. And we together go into the chat activity and send notification, send message with each other. And you can see there's no notification here. So that's how the notification system works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so right now let's show you a short demonstration of our app. So firstly, let's try as our first register to the app. Now let's fill out the register information in the form. And when the user fill out the form and click register, all the information will be stored in the Firebase, and it will directly take the users to the settings page, as they need to fill out the settings page form. And then we will get to the location part, and when click switch on, and if the guarantee permission is always guaranteed, so granted, so the information will be show up directly. And let's try for the profile image. Let's show you using the camera for this time. And when click on camera, the emulator will allow you to take the pictures, and the picture can be using for the profile, and it will be uploaded to the database also. Then we click confirm, and the user will be directly taken to the main page, and they can swipe or click button. They have the same function. And also the user can share pictures of the dog with other friends. When we click share, and it will open up the out of the applications. And okay, now let's try to see the matches list and to chat. So for this account, this is a new account, so there's no matches list of this account. So let's try a new account and have matches list so that we can chat with other users. Now we log in to a existed user, and let's go to chat. And you can see there is a match list of the users, and click on it, and you will enter into the messaging system. And you can send with each other with messages. You can chat the owners out or schedule some time to play with it. And yeah, I think that's a whole picture of our app, and hope you can enjoy it. And that's the whole of our demonstration. And thanks for your watching. And that's it.